Eko Atlantic City is located in Lagos State, Nigeria. Lagos is the commercial hub of Nigeria. Please stay with me as I have a quick look at the Eko Atlantic site. So you can see the map of Nigeria here, and Eko Atlantic is located in Lagos State and around here, Lagos there, and it's just here is where it is. So this land area here that you can see here is not natural. So this is all land that was reclaimed from the sea. So reclamation project, so which is we could call it landfill as well. So this land was reclaimed from the sea, so it wasn't natural. So, and the first thing they actually did here was it was the what they call the Great Wall of Lagos. So that was the first thing that was done. So that this served like kind of like a defense really for the city. So, and after that, so they were able to also they were also able to reclaim just a chunk of this area around here. So this was the first part roughly that was first reclaimed, and that was like about 6.5 kilometer square. So that was that area that was first kind of like a reclaim around there. So, and after that, then they went further to reclaim more, so that was the next part that was reclaimed, and this ended up to then make the whole area here to be about 13 kilometer square. So I'm talking about this whole place. So this was the first part reclaimed in 2012, and then this was the one that was reclaimed by the end of 2018. And really the reclamation work isn't completed yet, so because they are still going by the year 2026. So they are hoping to have reclaimed even up to around this area here, so which is going to make it to end up to be about 25 kilometers square. So that is really massive, and that is going to be the place where they are going in terms of like this Eko Atlantic project. They are going to reclaim up to 25 kilometer square, and this is based on the master plan, and which is going to really be a massive and thriving city. When you think about the size of Eko Atlantic City when it's completed, really this is really massive, because it's going to be bigger than Victoria Island. So it's going to be much bigger than Victoria Island in terms of the size, and also we can compare it to some countries of the world, some of the smallest countries. I want to compare Eko Atlantic City's land size. Well, I want to compare it with some of the smallest country in the world. The first one is Vatican. Vatican technically is the smallest country in the world, even though it's called Vatican City, but it's a country on its own technically, and they do run their own affair and they just do their own thing. Anybody that know about Vatican know that they are really very powerful as well. So, and it's just much smaller compared to Eko Atlantic City, which is just part of Lagos State. Another one is Monaco. Eko Atlantic City size as well is bigger than Monaco. Monaco is almost like some people could look at it as part of France, but they also are independent. They do their own thing. Another one is Nauru. Nauru is a kind of like an island as well in the Oceania, and they are also a country, really small population, an island country. But when you think about Eko Atlantic City, it's it's bigger than, in terms of land size, is bigger than this island Nauru. So in essence, what I'm actually doing is that giving you a little bit of perspective to what is the size of Eko Atlantic City. It's a city when it's completed, it's going to end up to be 25 kilometers square, and that is really massive. And they already having the infrastructure have already been set up, and also it's going to be accommodating up to 300,000 people in terms of and also there will be residential, there will be commercial activity. It's really going to be, even financial hub. And if you think about a lot of other, famous mariners in the world, one of them actually is the one in Dubai. So when you compare Eko Atlantic City, when it's finished, it's really going to be a top class location. It might currently look as if like it's empty, but in the future, I hope it's not really going to be an abandoned project, and because there are already a lot of organizations, a lot of big companies that are already setting up their spot really. So there are a lot of other organizations and other companies that are kind of like erected their buildings already there. So Eko Atlantic City definitely it's a place will be a place to be later on in the future when it's all complete and set up. And this is really amazing, extraordinary project that this is. I hope somebody find this video useful. Thanks for watching and God bless.